Welcome to the wonderful world of math. Learning lesson 7.4 in our math book, Multiplying Fractions. In this case, we're going to look at what does it mean to multiply 2/3 times 3/4. Well, first of all, we got to think, 2/3 times 3/4 is 2/3 of 3/4. So when I model this, I'm going to start with making 3/4. And I'm just going to do this in a square or a rectangle. I'm going to go, I have 3/4. So I divided it into fourths, my whole into fourths, and then I'm going to color in 3 of them. Now I'm going to take this, and I want to make this into thirds. I want to get 2/3 of 3/4. I mean, that's what we said after all, right? So how am I going to do this? Well, I'm going to break it into thirds the other way, and I'm going to go this way. And now I have 1 section, 2 sections, and 3 sections. And if I want 2/3 of the 3/4, then I want this, 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 and this. So now I have 2/3 of 3/4 right here. And I'm just going to count how many pieces I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 pieces. Now my question is, how many pieces do I have to make a whole if I'm using this size of piece right here? Well, I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 pieces, so this is 6/12. Notice, I counted the pieces that were double filled in, double colored, and those went on the top. And then the number of pieces that it took to make a whole went on the bottom. Let's try another way. I have 1/3 times 3/4. We can do this with a pie as well. I have my circle, divide it into fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to fill it in, since I have 3 of them, I'm going to fill in 3/4. Now I want to take 1/3. I have 2 options. I can take 1/3 of every piece. So I'm going to break these into thirds. Now every piece has become 3/3. And I'm going to take one of them. 1 here, 1 there, and 1 there. And so how many pieces do I have? Well, I have 3. And how many pieces make a whole? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3/12. I can do this another way though. I can say, hey, I have 3/4, and I'm going to fill in 3 of them, like I did before. And this time I'm going to say, now I'm going to take what I have, which would be this right here, and I'm going to pretend this is a whole. If I pretend this is a whole, I want to break it into 3 groups because I want one of those groups. So I'm going to take this and break it into 3 groups. And look at that. I can do this because it conveniently matches the pieces that I have. I have 1, 2, 3. Now, if I want one of them, go look here. Oh, look, there's 1 piece. What is that piece? Well, that piece, if I look at my whole, just happens to be 1/4 because it takes 4 of these guys to make a whole. Now you might be saying, but Mr. O, wait. 1/4 is not the same as 3/12. Or is it? If I simplify 3/12, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. I have 1/4. So you could do it either way when modeling with pies or circles. Let's do one more as a refresher. You try this one, listen to the problem, and then try and solve it on your own, and then see if you get it right. 3/5 times 1/3. 3/5 times 1/3. So I have 3/5 of 1/3. So I'm going to take my big rectangle, and I'm going to break it into 3 parts first. Boom, boom. Got 3 parts. Now I'm going to take and go the other way. Oh, wait, sorry. Undo that. What we want to do first is we're going to say, how many parts do I want? I want 1. So, I'm going to fill in one of those parts right here. Okay, now I'm going to take, and I'm going to divide it the other way to make fifths, because we have 3/5. So I'm going to go this way, and I'm going to make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I got 5. And how many of those do I want? Well, it looks like I want 3 of them. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Now my question, which pieces do I want? I want the double underlined pieces. And so I'm going to count those. I've got 1, 2, 3. I got 3 double colored pieces. And how many pieces are there total? Looks like I've got 5, 10, 15. So I have 3 over 15 pieces. Am I done? No. We need to divide and simplify. So I have 1 over 5. 1 over 5 is my answer because those are the pieces that are double underlined. Notice just a small hint of what's coming up. 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Does this look familiar? I hope it does. Happy math explorations. We'll talk to you next time.